Okay, so finally I'm getting to do some process videos. So this is a picture of my late rabbit Chet who passed away several years ago, and this is a picture that I took of him before I buried him and then after I buried him. And so Patton decided to make his normal debut on camera. Anyway, so this is page 5. This is the 5th layout I've done. And I'm using Basil cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit. And I usually get between 6, sometimes 10 pages in one kit done. But somehow I have accumulated, so not always, I guess, do I use the cardstock from the cardstock add-on kit because I have accumulated it. So I just add the next cardstock add-on to it when I go to the next kit. So anyway, that rainbow layer is Amy Tangerine Sunshine and Good Things called Tweet Tweet. And my photo mats that I'm using for my pictures are Pink Fresh Studio, a case of the Blaws called Awkward. So I ink the edges of everything. And these I used to prescribe to the Project Life kit and not the cardstock add-on, but I never really used the cards, so I accumulated them. And not to mention, I have a billion Project Life cards that I got, like the core kits and stuff. And so I decided I really need to use up some of my Project Life cards. And not to mention the ones that come in the hip kit. So I go with this one. And now I'm going to add some die cuts from Amy Tangerine. And so all these die cuts are from the Amy Tangerine ephemera pack. So just figuring out how I want to layer them. And he's back. I end up stopping it, paying him some attention, and then he went off to lay in front of my scrapbook window, and so then I continue on. And he's gone. So the layout continues. My rabbit Chet, he always, every change of the season, well, not every change of the season, but when it would change from summer to fall to winter, and once the weather turned from hot to cold, he would always get the little bit of the sneeze and come down with a little bit of a cold, but he always got over it. And this particular time, he became skinny. I saw he was losing weight, so I took him in and he kind of quit eating. So I took him to a vet that does rabbits, and because my vet does not, and she recommended someone, and they prescribed me antibiotics for him. And she says, just do your best to get him to take them. And so I did, and he wasn't eating, and I was trying to give him the antibiotics, and he just never got better. And then I lost him, unfortunately, but he lived a long time. He had a good life, and for that I'm happy. So that's the backstory. And so here are my my quote that I used from scrapbook.com, and the pink alphas are American Crafts Charming Thickers. The gold alphabet stickers are Happy Life Thickers, and the black and white ones are American Crafts Charming Thickers in the black. So I have the pink and then I have the black. All that came in past kits. So once I get my title down, that pretty much completes the layout. So when I have more done, I'll be back with those. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.